what is actually the heart of such a system. There are a few components needed, and one of them is the high pressure pump. And it could, of course, be one of ours. We call our pump family for tap water PAH. It's a high pressure pump, and it's built on an actual piston technology, meaning you have your axis here, and inside you have a number of pistons pumping the water as the axis is turning. The pump is driven by an electric motor, and the faster, it's actually quite simple. The faster the axis is turning, the more water is being pumped. So it's like a one-to-one relation between the speed, the rotation speed on the one hand, and the flow on the other. Now, all our pumps, they are made of stainless steel, and we follow a very strict quality standard coming from the automotive industry. So we are making sure that each and every pump that leaves this factory is following our requirements. And we are also testing each and every single one of them before they leave. In this way, we make sure that our pumps are highly reliable and they are well fitted to fulfill the requirements within the firefighting applications. The pump is also oil-free. It means that it's being lubricated by the media itself that is being pumped, and this case here, we're talking about tap water. So there's no oil inside. There's no need for oil change either, of course. So it gives a very long service interval and a minimum of maintenance to conduct. You can see here on the slide that we have the pumps in various sizes. The small sizes are typically used for pilot pumps or jockey pumps, they're also called. And at the other end of the spectrum, we have our largest pumps, and they're typically used within the primary system as main firefighting pumps. Right, and you see here that they can provide between 2 liters a minute on the low end and up to almost 147 liters a minute on the high end. And in terms of pressure, they can go up to 160 bar, equal to 2,321 psi. Good. Let's okay. Before moving on, I just want to point out one thing. The latest product variant that we have released is on our bigger sizes here. The PAH 100 has been released also up to 160 bar, so 2,321 psi. And this is to fit better into the firefighting applications and simply provide more flow in the same package and the same footprint.